leather. So they take all the skin from, just not because it's the feast day, they always do it here. It's the area where they do the tanning of the skin. So you will find a lot of, I don't know what it's called I don't know if it exists even in the US. I'm sure it exists in Brazil, right? Yeah. The tanners where they take all the skin from cows and animals and they put it on house. And it's very ironic because this is one of the most important antiquities here, the aqueduct, and it's very well kept, but it's very well preserved, but it's very poorly maintained. They use it to put the animal skins on. And there is a lot of activism against this. They want to bring all these buildings down. And also, ironically, we have one of the best hospitals in Egypt is here, the children cancer hospital. It's here. And yeah, I do some research with them. It's on the left. It's a gift of Japan, the building, on the shape of a boat. So you will see it also. So it summarizes a lot of things in Egypt: antiquity and ugliness and beauty. And yeah, this is the cancer center. Yeah, it's quite good.
And how is the health service here? Is it for everybody?
There is a public service. There is very poor insurance, but there is public. So we come from a background of socialism, but everything is becoming capitalist now. So today is especially so see, all these buildings were brought down by the government because they want to remove all this